Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, March the 12th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update we have WeChat. Australian Defense Department wants to ban WeChat from its services amid some security concerns. Apparently they are scared of Chinese espionage, so they are actually forbidding all the employees and all the people at the department to use WeChat. WhatsApp. Do you send messages through WhatsApp? Have you ever sent a message and wish you never did? Well, WhatsApp will now feature a new, kind of a new thing that will give you up to 1 hour to delete whatever you sent that maybe you didn't want to send. Well, Twitter is actually working hard to remove spammers, and now it has made a crackdown on many very popular accounts, and some of them hugely popular, and they say that it's because it's for spamming reasons. These accounts have been actually used to steal content and spam. A very interesting survey says that, and I kind of see it when I was a tech guy, most parents don't really understand the technology they use, and so they rely on their kids to explain it to them, and when something is wrong, they actually want their kids to help them out to fix it. Well, a very complex state-sponsored malware is so difficult to detect that it actually remains 6 years hidden in PCs, and it is called Slingshot, and it's very interesting. It hid in PCs and routers and basically undetected for the past 6 years. So this is an interesting bit of news. Public Wi-Fi security is another concern. A lot of studies are coming out saying that public Wi-Fi is to avoid at all costs unless you really need to. And they say that it is one of the things that bad guys will actually constantly monitor to try to simply make things better in just stealing data. So apparently the best is not to use it if you can. Kaspersky Labs says that gas stations are basically a big problem in security. They say that more and more gas stations are being hacked. Why? Because all the electronics and all the computerized systems in the gas pumps are now full of security flaws. So they say that it is a big problem that needs to be tackled. Kaspersky even says that they were able to access up to 1,000 gas pumps online just by kind of easily just logging into them. Elon Musk says that AI is more dangerous than nukes. Apparently, he is the doomsday sayer. He says that artificial intelligence is a huge issue and that needs to be tackled. So this was the Tech News Update. We are Monday, March the 12th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.